Candidates, let's go with the task 2, which came on 3rd June 2023. The task 2 is about child care training courses should be mandatory for all parents. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? Give your opinion and include the relevant example. So the introduction is about and the main topic is about कि चाइल्ड केयर ट्रेनिंग है जो वो कंपलसरी होनी चाहिए ऑल पेरेंट्स के लिए. उसके लिए आप अग्री होते हो और डिसअग्री होते हो. एंड डिस्क्राइब अबाउट योर ओपिनियन with a relevant example. Let's go with some paraphrasing which can be used by you with the help of grammar. So in these are some rules that can be used by you in the form of suggestion. Like when the examiner asks you a question with should, you should go with had better. So when the examiner tell you about should be, you can go with the had better be or ought to be or need to be. These type of portions when you use while you are paraphrasing, then definitely you can boost your score. How you can use it? Proper supervision should be given by parents. Proper supervision had better be given by parents. Proper supervision ought to be given by parents. Parents need to give the proper supervision to their children. So in this way, you can use in the active or passive form for making your essay more imperative and for making your speaking more imperative also. So let's go with the keywords which I will explain in an essay. The first keyword is about understanding child psychology. Second one is nurturing family environment. Third one is introduce tools or appropriate tools and the ideal needs. Fourth one is enabling the child reach their full potential. Fifth one is learn how to take the attention of a child, because it cannot be wrong to say that in the present scenario it's very difficult to take attention of a child. Let's go with the synonym that can boost your score, which are about taking care training courses, infant care, guideline, workshop, child care training programs. These can be used as compared to training courses or child care training, taking care of child training courses. Let's go with some vocabulary word. Myelination, brain progress. Apathy, ability to understand. Nurture, care for and protect while they are growing. Let's go with the essay explanation. First, introduction. Undeniably, in the era of modernization, proper guidelines and workshops had better be compulsory for all mother and father. I agree with this notion, and my perception is being discussed in subsequent paragraphs along with epitome. So, this is an introduction. Let's go with the first body paragraph. Multifarious facts are notable, which I would like to consider for substantiating my arguments. The primary is understanding child psychology. To elaborate it by learning the method in child care training programs, parents become aware about the proper nutrition, vaccination, and most importantly, common health related issues which ought to be taken initially. Additionally, nurturing family environment, which is a fundamental right of every child, cannot be maintained until parents take proper instruction. The meaning of that कि जब तक एक पेरेंट्स प्रॉपर नर्चरिंग और प्रॉपर इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट नहीं करेगा, तब तक एक कैंडिडेट्स और एक बच्चे की जो नर्चरिंग सेक्शन है वो कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. So of giving ambience to the children at home, because it has a long lasting impact on a range of development outcomes such as myelination, brain progress, emotion regulation, empathy. Consequently, it leads to strengthen the bond in between mother, father, and children. Let's go with the second paragraph. Simultaneously, training courses usually offered by the government could be very useful for the guardians who have a kid with special needs. For example, a child has a birth defect or has been diagnosed with a mental or musculoskeletal, that is known as a diverse condition affecting bones, joints, muscles, and connective tissues disorders. These kind of training could be life saving for these kind of parents and children also. Let's go with the conclusion. After pondering a great deal of thoughts, I came to the conclusion that being informed and educated parents is an indispensable aspect to become good parents for enjoying the parenthood, because every child is an foundation of parents and nation, so they need to bring in a supportive, caring, and nurturing family environment.